So patients needing full arch dentistry, whether they're patients with ill-fitting dentures or bad dentures, or patients who just have bad teeth that they know they're going to lose their teeth, our office, the patients are able to come in. We're able to get all the information we need with the 3D imaging and all the technology that we have available, and listen to the patient, listen to what their needs and desires are, and provide them a custom treatment plan for whatever outcome that they need. Whether it's full arch of teeth on dental implants or snap-in, snap-out teeth, we're able to provide that here at our clinic. We're unique in the fact that not only do we place our own dental implants, but we restore our own dental implants. And as a cosmetic dentist, it's really rewarding to know that these patients are coming in and you know that you're going to give them a knockout smile in addition to placing the dental implants and having something that's going to be predictable and comfortable for them for many, many years to come. The great thing about having attached permanent teeth, they're all on four, is that the patients are able to come out and you can go out to eat, not have to worry about what's on the menu. You can have those vegetables that are healthy. You can resume a more healthy diet for yourself. And you don't have to worry socially about loose, ill-fitting teeth. You're able to speak, laugh, sing, whatever you want to do, not worry about your teeth falling out again or giving you problems.